welcome back. I'm Laura Wilkie with Down Home with Lemon Pie, and we have a big surprise. We bought an RV. Alright guys, so if you're brand new to my channel, welcome. I'm a Christian stay-at-home homeschool mom. I have 7 kiddos. My husband works from home. He has his own business and does residential construction jobs and just things that people need done or changed in their homes, and we are going on the road. It was time for us to move on, so we're going to be leaving our farm. We've sold almost all of our animals at this point. And yeah, we live in Texas, and I don't know if, I'm sure your state's probably the same, but you cannot buy a home here. You just can't. The prices are ridiculous. Eventually we'd like to have land again, so we're looking for something like that. But it's just time for us to move on, and there's just no options. So instead of just dwelling on that and the things that go along with that, we have invested in this RV, and we're gonna take our family on the road. We're gonna go on a huge adventure. We're going north, we're going east, we're doing some early American history, tourist stuff. We're just really excited, and my husband is going to work along the way, and we're just gonna kind of trust God and to lead us and guide us and provide those our needs and the jobs that he'll need as we go on this journey. We are just heading out on a huge family adventure, and we're just gonna trust God in this journey. We are super excited. Of course, we did buy this RV, but of course we can't leave it like this, so we are doing a few things to renovate it and customize it and make it our own, and we're excited about that. And yeah, so that's kind of our new journey. We've been working on it already. I've been excited to share it with you guys, but so anyway, I'm going to show you a few video clips of what we've done so far, how we received it, and then where it is at now. So if you want to follow along, make sure you subscribe, like the videos, share them, and come with us on this journey as we go around the United States, homeschooling, world schooling, road schooling, whatever you want to call it, with our large family. Has that new smell? You said it was comfortable.
Man, this is cool.
Ivy, what do you think?
Yeah, I got one down here.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Cool. Mommy, a fire hydrant. Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. What is that? Hey, Mommy, look, there's a fire hydrant.
That's right.
A fire hydrant, yeah.
You like fire hydrants?
What a fancy here.
Yeah, you like that?
Mommy, I see you. In the shower. Yeah, I'm gonna share this. It's the shower, yay!
Okay, so this is pretty much how we received it. My husband's already been working so hard. You can see right there on the couch, he has already taken off several of the coverings from the window shades there, and we're gonna do curtains instead. It'll look a lot nicer. These trim pieces here that you see on the sides and on the top, we're going to be redoing as well with wood. That backsplash there, we are redoing so it's just white and beautiful. But look, it has a full-size fridge and a larger than you would normally get size oven. So I'm super excited about that, so I can feed all 9 of us. There's some more of that trim that we're gonna replace. A pantry that's huge, a lot of storage, more than we expected to get. So we're so excited about that. We also have 2 couches, one of which folds out. and makes an extra bed. So that's good. And then the chairs we're gonna get rid of and do benches instead. So I'm excited about that. And then this is like the kids' bunkhouse, their hangout space, their sleeping space. So we're gonna have my oldest right there, and we're gonna get rid of this couch. It does lay down for a bed, but we're not gonna use it for that. We're gonna do something else. I've got my next two bunks there with the 3 drawers on bottom. Lots of storage, like I said. So we've got plenty of storage for clothes, more than we were expecting. So we're super excited. So you can see just tons of it. They also have their own bathroom, well, half bath. So we're excited about that. They've got a toilet, a sink, and cabinets, and that mirror cabinet on top opens up with more storage. So we're super excited about all of that space. There is the other bathroom that you saw in the previous clip, and then this is the master. So the master we're redoing. You can see he's doing those window coverings. We're gonna get rid of these doors here in the closet, and we're gonna put up a beautiful curtain instead. It'll just make it a lot more smoother and easier to move around through this space because it's not terribly huge, as you can see. Well, this is kind of where we're at right now. I hope that you guys come with us on this journey and stay tuned as we continue to renovate this, and then we are going to hit the road. I'll see you guys next time.